Thank you for joining us here at Roy Nichols Motors, 2728 Courtice Road in Courtice, Ontario. We're looking at a company demonstrator here, the new 2018 Chevrolet Traverse Premier Edition all-wheel drive, Cajun red tint coat the color. Under the hood you have the 3.6-liter dual overhead cam direct injection V6 engine, 9-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look inside. Alright, gorgeous interior. Love this Traverse. Leather upholstery all throughout. You have the power adjustable driver's seat, including lumbar support there. Bose premium speakers, power lift gate, power windows, power mirror, power locks. You do have memory preset here for your seat and mirror. You have collision alert, blind side detection there, heated mirror as well. Child safety lock for the rear windows. You do have your exterior lighting, cruise control, front collision alert, heated steering wheel, excellent luxury feature, Bluetooth hands-free communication tools to navigate through your menu and sound system. Sound system, you have toggles on the back of the steering wheel. This side volume, the other side memory presets for your favorite stations. Lighting, signal operation. You have your wiper operation on the other side. You can see there's a push-button start. Rear view color camera view and bird's eye view. I absolutely love this. So cool. There's actually cameras positioned under the mirrors. You can see right around the vehicle, and those cracks there, those do exist. That's real. You're looking at a real thing. The only thing simulated is the vehicle, but that is the if I turn the wheels turn the wheels this way, the wheels turn, it's your actual vehicle. It is so cool, and it's going to make backing up, parking a lot more safe and easy. All right, put it in park here. I also want to show you, maybe you're popping into a restaurant or something, you want to tuck the wallet away, put it in here. You have your USB, audio, phone projection, navigation, settings, texting, OnStar, rear climate, camera, traffic, shop, memory presets on the touchscreen, projection compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, by the way. Vented air-conditioned seats, using that right now. Plus you have heated seats, same thing with the passenger side. The vented seats and the heated seats. So 12 months out of the year, you'll be able to enjoy the leather interior. Fan speed operation right in the middle. USB port times 2 auxiliary audio input, auxiliary power. You have your cup holders, parking brake, drive modes here, traction and stability control, lane keep assist. You do have your tow haul mode there. It's in all-wheel drive right now, but you can put it in two-wheel drive. You have your mountain terrain for, save the fuel. Drive in two-wheel drive until it's snowing. How about that? Lots of storage in here, more connectivity, storage in the glove box, passenger side door storage, dual moonroof, gorgeous power tilt slide for that right up here, garage door opener, ambient lighting, overhead lighting, and OnStar buttons right there above the rear view mirror. Nice 20-inch aluminum wheels with wheel lock, ultrasonic park assist sensors along the back bumper. Touch of a button, power lift gate goes up. Now this is the 7-seater. The back seats are down here. This is a company demonstrator. These are not installed yet, or they were installed. They need to be cleaned from our employee that had them, but that's all clean. It's going to be brand new when you get it, not to worry about that, and the price is going to be great. Yeah, lots of storage back here. You have a privacy screen. You know what? We have a 2012 Chevrolet Traverse. We absolutely love it. Man, would I ever love to upgrade to a 2018. Let's take a look at the back here. I'll show you some of the reasons why I'd love to upgrade. Obviously, new design, more efficient, more connectivity. You have storage in the door, lots of storage in the door, power windows. You have storage behind the seats in the pocket. But look here, you have heated seats for the middle row. You have your air control. You have USB ports. We don't have that in the 2012, plus power outlets. And in the back seat, you do have USB ports on both sides. You have USB ports on both sides for that third row. So anywhere you sit, anywhere you are in this vehicle, you're going to be connected. 4G LTE Wi-Fi all throughout the vehicle. Don't forget about that. All right, lots to love here on the 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. This is a Premier Edition company demonstrator, all-wheel drive, Cajun red tint coat the color. Under the hood, the 3.6-liter Dock direct injection V6, variable valve timing, 9-speed automatic transmission. What can I say? You have to see it for yourself. Give it a test drive. Bring the family. The kids are going to love it. And as I said, the price is going to be right because this is a company demonstrator. Come find it at Roy Nichols Motors, 2728 Courtice Road in Courtice, Ontario, just east. of high prices.